Hi guys, in this session I'm going to explain nested if. It is one of the flow control. If block within a if block or if statement within a if statement is called nested if statements. Outer said if statement is true or false. Depending on that, it will enter into the nested if block. It may true, it may false. Based on the another decision, it will follow the which block to execute. So this is the flow control. It's a flow chart. You can go through with it. So I will explain you practically. I will give you an example. Please continue. In this example, I'm going to explain nested if. I hope you understood what is nested if. If can be written in if statement, if can be written in else statement, if can be written in else if statement can be considered as a nested if. So I think you got a clarity. Here in this example, I'm showing you what is the nested if and how I've written a if statement within a else block. So here I already written a example for you. You can go through with it. Items ordered is 50. Items in stock is 54. So I printed what I taken as a variables and what is the values, and it checks with the if statement. Items ordered is greater than items in stock. If it is the case, print is to be executed. But here items ordered is less than items in stock, so we are not worrying about this. It's come to the else. Here if statement is false, so else block will continue, and else block will continue execution. Within the else block, what I did is number of packets. For every 8 orders, I am making it a one pack. If it is more than 8 packs, it is considered as a one pack. Here it calculates the number of packets, and I written a nested if statement within the else block. So what happens if number of packs is greater than 1? Print is to be printed. This 12th line is executed. So this is the program I've written. So I want to execute it. Okay, one by one I will explain you. Items ordered is 50, items in stock is 54. So there is no problem. There is no running out of stock not the case. It is following the else block. So it checks with the whether how many number of packets we have to do. There is a number of packets are calculated with the expression. Within this, it is calculated. It is calculated, and if number of packets are greater than 1, yes, it is greater than 1, it is printed. There is a more than one pack to deliver. So I hope you understood. So I will write this code in a different manner. Please wait for that. I hope you got a clarity. If statement within a if statement, or if statement within a else statement, nested if statement. I will follow with if statement within a if statement. I will change this logic. Try to run now. Okay, the same output we got. Why? Because we can write a logic, same logic in a different manner. Please go through with it. Here I've written a if block within if. Here I written a if block within else block. So both can be possible. It gives the same output, it gives the same result. Try to run this. It is hidden, so it is getting some difficulty. Okay, okay, I solved it. Check it down. I hope you got a clarity. See you in the next session.